Hey guys, Alaktrician man again. Just turned up here to my mate Mackie's machine shop. Hang on. I don't know if you can see it. Precision machine shop. There's the guy. Say good day. Yeah, come to get the crankshaft done. So just coming in. Where's Mackie? See Mac. Bro! I'm vlogging now. Bro, I'm coming to see you, man. Brother. This is Matt. He's taller than me, man. He's like, yeah. Super good friend of mine. He owns a machine shop here and trusted absolutely awesome work. So I'm gonna have a chat with him, and later on I'm gonna interview him over a beer maybe. We'll have 1 or 2 beers and then I'll update you later. Alright guys, over and out. Ciao. Okay. So there you go, bro. Hang on, I'll turn that around. There you go, bro. 30. As you can see, the gauge is moving like that. That means that the crankshaft's out of alignment, as I suspected. So, all right, bro. I'll update ya. Bye. Okay, here I am again. It's Mackie. So we just aligned the crankshaft, and so now, tradition of Alaktrician, man. It's time to have a beer. Cheers, bro. Update you later. See ya.